Good morning.
Hey, Puma hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is $10. Stop all that back and forth over the net. Mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Cherie ou est mon bec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block. Cause you know how sticky it get.
Okay guys, so I'm going to my wax appointment. I did take a shower because I didn't want to stink. Should I put my hair up? I'm probably gonna put my hair up. I don't want my hair like, yo, I had a crazy ass dream that my mirror broke. And I got so mad. And my friend broke it. I got so mad at the friend in the dream, bro. I got so mad. I was like, alright, bet you broke my shit. Get the fuck out. I was so tight. And she had to buy a new one in the dream. Even though she got a nice expensive one, a better one. Shit is hard. See you later. Not a fan. It's your baby. This is a Lamborghini, not a band. Oh. Can you guys see me?
Yeah. Anytime you hit me, I was never knocked up.
Alright, wanna take you to Chanel. Baby, something number toe. Oh, he's kinda cute. So right now, I was also thinking we gotta get a car wash. This car is like literally not it. At least a vacuum out. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't even need to be a car wash on the outside. On the inside, it can be like a vacuum out. Like, I like, cause it's about to be, but it's still hot. So I don't want my car to be like disgusting. Like, you understand what I mean? Let me put you guys here. Let me hold you guys. Oh shit. So I don't want my car to be like disgusting. I think I know how to get there, but I definitely forgot how to stop at the next stop sign. My school, they don't play with that. Like, you can't be driving without stopping at the stop sign. Like, they're mad annoying. Like, oh my god, my stomach hurt. Ever since I ate that food yesterday, bro, that shit fucked up my stomach. There you go. Thanks. Thank you, the cross. Anyway, yeah, I'll see you guys at the place. Enjoy the view.
Everything off, right?
Yep, everything. Thanks. I've been missing. I can't wait to take everything off.
I know, right?
It's been sweating. No, because wintertime I really don't care. But like summertime it's hot and I sweat like big time.
It's so hot.
I'm scared. I haven't got a wax in like forever.
How long has it been? Definitely more than a month.
Yeah, way more. Like I'm off in 2 weeks. Okay. Probably. So like normally everything would be gone. Like I normally come back, but I didn't like I couldn't drive all the way from. It's so far.
I get it. But now you're back in school.
So yeah.
Where do you go to school again?
State.
Oh, okay, so now you're close by.
I'm like a good 10 minutes away. Yeah, that was so funny. I was in a cafeteria and I was like, yeah, I have a lot of hair. She was like, I can't hear you. I can't hear you guys. I was like, oh, okay. I gotta tell her. I gotta text, what's it called? Text her or something.
Yeah, no, you can always text us, no worries.
I'm so scared.
Obviously better when it's longer, to be honest, so.
It is?
Yeah, because it comes out easier and cleaner, so believe it or not, it's better when it's longer. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3.
Wow. Did not miss that. Did not miss that.
Things we do, right?
On here.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Deep breath in, 1, 2, 3. Deep breath in, 1, 2, 3.
Alright guys, so I just finished my wax. I feel like a baby's butt. So right now I'm going back to, I gotta go to Walmart. I have to go buy some, I have to go get some stuff from Walmart. So let's go to Walmart real quick. And yeah, so I'll see you there. Love you. Bye.
I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nothing to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Man, I don't know no other man. You like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. What? I only got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. I carry just like a Prego. Beat around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, you should've knew it from the get-go. Play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it.
Yeah, I got one virtual, got one, and that is the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed. exposed. They wanna know about the highs and lows. Well,
my trust in you. What will you do? Do you just step back?
So, look at it. I got the top, the bottom, and the Crocs. It's like the first day of school outfit, but just shorts. So we're going to class right now. Today is like I forget the day, but today is my first day. I've never been to this class yet because I had to miss last week because of work, but I'm going now. And I want to get food, so I'm probably going to be like 5 minutes late, so that's bad. Alright, now I'm on my way to class. This is why you don't rush and eat. Look at my face. God damn, look at my face, bro. Alright, I'm dead rushing to get to class right now. I'm so late. Literally, about like 4 minutes though. But I didn't go. The thing is, I didn't go to class the first day and I'm late. That's crazy. I wonder if there's baddies in this. Hi, I said baddies, like, it's not my baddie, but I wonder if there's like some cute guys in the class that I can be like, hey, hi, what's your name? But I doubt it. Alright, see you guys there. I'm rushing.
Leafy green, right? It's going to kind of package everything up. That's just going to make your system.
already gave you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. It's something, it's something. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always wanted to, but it's dangerous.
I go, yo, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty on go. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on the beat, niggas go. I've been in fiances, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just
off before it doesn't get connected or anything. So right now I gotta go to Target or Walmart. I might just go to Target's right here, and it has like, I don't know. I can actually go to Walmart. Walmart got a cheaper fucking school supplies than Target. So let's just go to Walmart. We're gonna go there and we're gonna go get some shit from there. Alright, hold on. We're going to Walmart. I love my graphic tees. If they got more in Walmart, I'm about to buy more. Look at this. This is so cute. Period. I love my graphic tees. But we're going to Walmart. Look, see? I'm coming through this way. Bro, their binders look, like, this look lucky. Black. We're going with black. All black, always. Let me see. Hold on. Ew. Oh, they might, this is cute. Let me find out. Hold on. Wait, oh, that's cute too. Snoop Dogg. Hold on, let's see if they got it. Nah, they don't even have it, bro. Wait, hold on. I don't want no Mickey Mouse. Ew. Nah, I don't want, what, that's type cute. Do they have my size? Hold on. Oh, no. I didn't mean to do that. Oh my God. Alright guys, so, okay, it's the next day. I just took a shower. You can say hi to Tony. I'm on FaceTime with my bestie. We're just talking about him coming back from Vegas. He had a great time. So right now I just gotta finish some work and everything, and I'm gonna vlog when I go to bed. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I love you. They're so cute. I love you. Good night, guys. I'm trying to call my best friend back. Hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys. I'm trying to think what day I'm posting this. See you guys Tuesday. Love you. Bye.